Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not letting you go live from OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Once you're on YouTube, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Create button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Go Live. This will take you to YouTube's live streaming dashboard where you can manage all your broadcast settings. Now, here's something important to note. If YouTube prompts you to enable live streaming, you'll need to complete that setup process first. Keep in mind that new channels may need to wait up to 24 hours before the live streaming feature becomes fully available. This is a standard security measure YouTube uses for new accounts, so if this applies to you, you'll need to be patient and wait for the activation period to complete. Once you have access to the live streaming dashboard, navigate to the left panel and click on Stream. This is where you'll configure your external encoder settings, which is exactly what we need for OBS. In the center of the stream page, you'll see a button that says Learn how to use encoders. Go ahead and click on that button. Now, navigate to the Stream Key section. You'll see a copy button right beside it. Click that copy button to copy your unique stream key to your clipboard. This stream key is essentially the bridge that connects OBS to your YouTube channel, allowing you to broadcast directly to your audience. Next, open your OBS application. In the upper left corner of OBS, click on File. Then from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the Settings panel where you can configure all of OBS's various features and connections. In the left sidebar of the Settings window, click on Stream. This is where you'll set up the connection between OBS and YouTube. At the top, you'll see an option labeled Service. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select YouTube RTMPS from the list. This is the specific protocol YouTube uses for live streaming, and selecting it ensures compatibility. Right below that, you'll see a button that says Use Stream Key Advanced. Click on that button to enable the Stream Key input field. In the Stream Key section that appears, click on the text field right beside it. This is where you'll paste the stream key you copied from YouTube earlier. Once you've pasted the key, you're almost done with the setup. In the bottom right corner of the settings window, click Apply to save your changes. Then click OK to close the settings panel. Your OBS is now properly configured to stream to YouTube. To test if everything is working correctly, click Start Streaming in the right panel of OBS. This will initiate your broadcast. Then, go back to your YouTube browser tab to check if you're live now. You should see your stream appearing on your channel, confirming that the connection is working perfectly. And there you have it, you've successfully fixed the issue and connected OBS to YouTube for live streaming. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.